Hello again and welcome back to day 9 of 12 days of FabFitFun. So let's get this box open and see what day 9 has to offer. And I'll just grab my helper pen. This has really been the best because these tabs are really stiff and hard to open. Still not exactly simple, but it's better than nothing. So let's get in here and see what we've got today. And this is the Sugar Sugar Lip Scrub in Pink Champagne. And that retails for $16. I'm really looking forward to trying this. We're barely into winter here and my lips are so dry. I've been using lip masks, lip balm, and none of it is working, so maybe this will save me. It's a really cute color, not that that really matters too much in the scheme of things, but it is aesthetically pleasing. So once again, that is the Sugar Sugar Lip Scrub. I really look forward to trying it. It was a nice fun addition to my FabFitFun box, and a pretty satisfying day 9. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.